Good morning from uglyreloadingusa.com. My name's Carl. I'd like to go over why we want to use a bullet comparator kit like this set here. The bullet comparators go from 17 to 45. They are screw in, and I'll go over that in a second. So I measured case overall length of these, and we have 2.3085 up to 2.311. And when we do this with an ogive or bullet comparator, let's see what we get. We're getting 675. You don't need to rotate these, just wiggle the bottom till it settles in on the base. 668, 675. And let's see here. 6, 7. And what's the final one here? 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 6, 5, 6, 7. So what that proves is that even though your case overall length to the tip might be right, your ogive will be different. So in seating, what we want to do is measure the ogive and make sure that everything is properly seated. One of the things, beauties about this set, the DERRACO set, is nice, clean, sharp shoulders, hard anodized, and we screw together, threaded, instead of push together. One of the competitors, and they're all about the same, you can see that it wobbles. And when you tighten that screw up, it can tilt a little bit and then give you inconsistencies. What you want is consistency when measuring, and that's the beauty of this set. These are hard anodized, stainless steel base, 2 grub screws instead of 1, so when you put it on your blades on your veneer caliper, it's going to seat in and stay seated. When you screw it together, you're going to bottom out and have a nice flush fit. When you zero it, it's going to be there. These are beautiful units and way less expensive than some of the competitors. This is high quality, like I said, hard anodized. They're all marked. In the tin lid here, we have the size of the shell, that cartridge that goes with the Headspace. So 330 would be 223. 3.75 would be like 30-30 Winchester and that size. You can look these up on Sammy and get an actual Headspace reading. And I've checked these against a go gauge, and they were within 1.5 thousandths of an actual go gauge, not just a comparator, but an actual go gauge for chambering a rifle. Thanks for watching my video. Have a great day. Thank you for supporting DERRACO and Ugly Reloading USA. We're coming out with more products. Keep your eyes open and shoot small.